Potato Harvest 2025. You guys voted, and we are harvesting them. All right. Well, come into the garden and roll. Let's harvest the fingerlings.
So,
all right,
do you want to just
here we go.
Dump is what we're doing?
Yeah, we're gonna just dump it out.
Oh, hey, there are potatoes.
Holy shit!
Good.
Look at that.
Oh wow!
Wow, look at these potatoes.
Damn, dude.
Whoa!
They're everywhere.
Hey, oh, look at this. It's like a real potato. Look at that little fingerling.
It's attached to the roots. So.
Anything else in there?
There is definitely more in here. Run.
We've got more taters to harvest if anyone's still here. I kind of figured I would just dump it out. Let's just do it.
Go, go, go. Oh my gosh! There are huge potatoes.
Look at that big boy.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Okay, this I think was the seed potato because it's cut in half. It's like a clean cut. Yeah, this was the seed potato.
So it made definitely more than one potato from that.
Yeah, so. Look at this chunky boy.
Here, let me go on this side.
Hey! Whoa, look at these taters.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Wow, I actually like this variety.
Wow.
I might grow these.
Which variety is this?
This is the red Viking.
Here we were being like, oh, we're not confident in these, and then it's just...
I kept looking in the side and I couldn't see any.
Oh, well, I bet you could even...
Look at this chunky boy.
Dude, I bet you could trim these back and replant this.
All right, this is the final potato bag. This is going to be the grand finale.
Okay.
All right, this one, hopefully there's a whole bunch of potatoes in here, Ann. Make sure you get a good shot of this one.
Okay.
Are we just dumping? Or are we cleaning it up like last time?
I thought the dumping actually worked pretty
better?
well.
Okay.
So I think we should just do that.
Let's dump.
Let's dump these potatoes.
Oh, I feel a potato right there.
Get out of there. Stuff.
Yep.
Oh,
big
look
boy.
at that big boy. Oh, yeah. All right.
If that's the only potato, I swear.
There's only one potato in this whole dang thing. There's got to be some more.
Oh, here's another one.
Potatoes.